the Toyota Camry and the Honda Accord are not necessarily the best mid-size sedans. They may be great cars, and they are great cars. I have a Honda Accord. It's a really good car. But it all depends on what you're looking for, what your needs are in a mid-size sedan. So today we're going to review 7 mid-size sedans based on 7 different criteria. The criteria includes pricing, safety, reliability, engine spec, so how much horsepower, what type of engine. We're going to take a look at the EPA miles per gallon. We're going to find out how much room there is in the front and in the rear, both legroom as well as headroom. And we're going to take a look at how much space there is in the trunk. So if you're interested in finding out how these 7 2024 midsize sedans compare to one another based on these 7 different criteria, to find out which one is right for you, then stay tuned. The cars with the cheapest starting MSRP price include the Subaru Legacy, the Hyundai Sonata, and the Kia K5 LXS starting at $25,400. The Honda Accord has the highest starting price of $28,000 for the gas-powered LX version. It also has one of the highest starting MSRP prices with the hybrid touring model starting off at $38,500. 3 out of the 7 do come in hybrid versions, which generally have a higher starting price. Pricing will be dependent upon which trim level, the options you choose. For some that have multiple engine choices, the engine you select. IIHS rates the Honda Accord and the Toyota Camry as a top safety pick plus. The Nissan Altima and Kia K5 also received the top safety pick plus designation. NHTSA rating is not available for the Honda Accord at this time, while all other vehicles received a 5-star rating. J.D. Powers has 3 separate categories. First one being quality and reliability, the second driving experience, and the third resale. Now remember, with quality and reliability, it's all about statistics. You may have a better experience with a car that's rated lower, or you may have a worse experience with a car that's highly rated. The sedans with the highest quality and reliability include the Toyota Camry, the Kia K5, and the Chevy Malibu receives a rating of great and a score of 85. The lowest of our list received a rating of average with a score of 80. Taking a look at the driving experience, Sonata received a rating of great with a score of 87, but the Kia K5 bested that with a rating of best and a score of 91. The lowest rating received came from the Subaru Legacy with a rating of average and a score of 75. Estimated resale value, the cars with the highest rating include the Honda Accord, the Toyota Camry. The lowest ratings come from the Nissan Altima with a rating of average of 79, and the Chevy Malibu with a rating of average of 70. The cars that received Consumer Reports' overall highest ratings included the Toyota Camry Hybrid, the Hybrid Honda Accord, and the Toyota Camry gas-powered. The only vehicle on this list that did not receive a recommended was the Chevy Malibu. Most all the sedans had a pretty high score when it came to Consumer Reports' road test, with the standouts being the Toyota Camry and the Honda Accord. Vehicles that had a higher predicted reliability include both the gas and hybrid Toyota Camry. The Chevy Malibu received the lowest rating for predicted reliability. Consumer Reports also has predicted owner satisfaction. The lowest predicted owner satisfaction, and they include the Nissan Altima and the Chevy Malibu. Kia's top-of-the-line K5, the GT, has a 2.5-liter four-cylinder turbo with 290 horsepower, matching that of the Honda Sonata's N-Line. When it comes to miles per gallon, as you would expect, the three hybrids, the Honda Accord Hybrid, Toyota Camry Hybrid, and Hyundai Sonata Hybrid all offer the highest miles per gallon. For non-hybrid engines, the Honda Accord and the Toyota Camry's gas-only engines, as well as the Hyundai Sonata SE, offer the highest EPA miles per gallon rating than any other car on this list. Closely second is the Nissan Altima in its S and SV front-wheel drive versions. Let's take a look at interior space. The top sedans with the most headroom and the most legroom, both front and rear. When it comes to cargo space, the trunk, the Honda Accord beats everyone out at a whopping 16.7 cubic feet. Hopefully, this video has provided the data needed for you to make a decision regarding which midsize sedan is right for you.